I'm getting 2 more Trojan T-105s before these get too much older. And this is the battery guy out of Tucson delivering them. Come on, right in here. Come on. Just watch out for this. Alright. Going right in there. That's the battery guy out of Tucson. Phone number and everything. If anybody's interested, apparently he delivers. Alright. Well, the battery guy's just driving away. And as you can see, I now have 8 batteries in here. I'm going to hook those up and basically kind of redoing the whole entire solar setup because I have a new charge controller. I'm going to do a whole entire video on that, but I was having problems with the old one. And Ryan from Midnight Solar says, okay, let's swap it out. Like, I wasn't really ready for it, but it's like, I got one, so now I need to swap it out. And actually, I got a slightly different one. I had the 200 SL. This time I'm switching to just the 150 Classic. Mainly because it'll do up to 1200 watts of solar if I ever decide to do that. The setup I have now is basically with the SL, mainly 800 watts. I mean, I could squeeze a 9th one on there, but, you know. So this way, like I said, I can go up to 1200 watts to power a space heater this winter. I'm so worried about being cold. I don't care about being hot. I'm just more worried about being cold. All right, like I said, I got 8 batteries now. I'm going to get them hooked up. All right. I've got all 8 batteries all hooked up now. Hey, Ruger, how you doing? Stay. All right, hold on. All right, like I said, I got all 8 of them all hooked up in series parallel. And series means this 6 volt is combined with that 6 volt with this cable to make it one 12 volt battery. And same thing with that one. And same thing with that one. And same thing with that one. I got the cable there, one. So it's 4 cables just to make it into, each one's a 12 volt battery. And I hook them up here parallel to be able to use 4 12 volt battery banks. That's actually, so now I have 2 800, 900 amp hours, I guess. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, yep, 900 because 225 for each 12 volt. So, getting there.